Hi everyone, my name is Sheila and this is my channel Face and Fashions. My goal for today is to make a quick little video to explain the basics of Trendsend so you will have a better understanding of how it works. Just remember this is the basics, and if you need more information, please check out their website. Okay, now I made some notes, so if you see me looking down, that's why, just to keep me on point so I don't forget the basics. So I figured the first question you guys are going to want to know is, what is Trendsend? And Trendsend is a personal styling service created by Evereve, a nationwide retailer specializing in styling moms. Trendsend brings the styling experience of Evereve stores to the comfort of your home. Question number 2, how does Trendsend work? Now when you first go online, you will fill out a style profile, and that will let them know your style, your body type, and your lifestyle. You'll also be able to share photos of yourself and link them to your social media profiles. Your expert stylist will then create a Trendsend box just for you. You can choose to receive Trendsend every month, every other month, quarterly, or just on demand. There is no subscription. You decide when you want it. Then, once you receive your items, you decide what you love and send back anything you don't. You have 5 days to try everything on in your home before you make a purchase and send back the returns. Question 3, what can I expect in my box? Your stylist will curate 2 to 3 outfits using the information you shared in your personal style profile. Each Trendsend contains 6 items of clothing. Question 4, what sizes do they offer? They currently offer sizes extra small to extra large, and their denim ranges from 24 to 32 or US size 0 to size 14. Question 5, is there a styling fee, and when will you be charged? Yes, there is a $20 styling fee at the time you place your order, and it is non-refundable if you decide to keep nothing in your box. But if you keep something in your box, that $20 will be subtracted off your total. And also, they do not accept debit cards, they only accept credit cards. So I just wanted to make sure you guys are aware of that. And when will you be charged? After you try everything on and you decide to check out, your card will be charged for the items you kept plus tax, but minus the styling fee. If you do not check out, your card will be charged after your 5-day try-on period if you do not send back the items. So make sure you send back the items. And is there any discount for keeping multiple items? Yes, if you choose to purchase 4 or more items, there's a 10% discount. How do you check out? To check out, you log on to your account at trendsend.com and click checkout next to your current order. Indicate which items you love and which items didn't hit the mark. And also, they do offer return and exchanges. Once you have checked out and left feedback, place all your unwanted garments in the enclosed return envelope with the packing slip and ship your return package back to them using the free shipping label. Please use your local post office to ship back your returns. And also, are there any hidden fees? There are no shipping or membership fees. Now, if you are interested in trying Trendsend for your first time, I will leave a link down below, and if you use my link, you will get 20% off discount for anything you decide to purchase in your first box. And I will also receive a 20% discount on my next box. So it would be awesome if you decide to use my referral link. I hope this overview was helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.